Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks having your company, and it's always a pleasure making a video for you, as you know. I'm in the process of moving my craft room. This craft room that I'm in at the moment is one of my largest rooms at home, and really I don't think it's feasible for me to have it anymore. So basically I'm downsizing. I'm going to move out of this big room into the smaller room. I think it would be better for me mentally as well, because I find, as much as I appreciate the space and I love having the space, I just find that it can become overwhelming at times with just too many things. You tend to just keep bringing things in and putting them down. Every little space that's available, you tend to want to fill it in with something. So I've stopped all that now. As I said, I have been doing some purging and giving away to charity and friends and family. All good stuff. But if I have 2, 3 or 4 of the same thing, you know, you might as well share it, because you can't use them all at once. So that's my motto anyway. So that's what I've been doing. So yes, I am moving out of this room. I enjoyed it very much. I will insert some pictures of the room, but silly me, I should have taken the photos before I started taking things down. So some of the things are half down out of the room, but you'll see in the photos anyway. I'm really looking forward to getting into my new room. I've got the carpenter coming tomorrow to put up all my work surface and everything. I went out this morning and bought the paint to paint the wood, and because I tried to do my homework, and I found that if I had gone to Ikea and got Ikea furnishings, then it would have cost me more to do that. With me going to the builder's yard and getting my wood cut how I want it cut, and to the measurements, the exact measurements that I want, worked out better for me. So I'll keep you updated with everything anyway. I mean, there's a fair bit of work to do, because I've still got to fill in all these holes that, you know, I've made in this room. I've taken down the slat walls, because I want them back in the little room, because they're a godsend, those slat walls. Once the carpenter has come and done his thing tomorrow, then I'll continue to paint. So I'm most probably up till the wee hours of Sunday morning painting, because I just want it done so I can move in, you know. So I'm really excited about that. But anyway, as I said, I went out early this morning with some help, of course, and I needed to get to Ikea to get some shelf brackets, and I needed to get to Wix as well to pick up some paint and some primer. So that's what I did. But while I was at when I went into Ikea, these are the brackets that I got. These are the brackets that I've got. I will link the name of them below in the description. But they're called Ekbi, and they're 50p each. I have been using these brackets over the years, and they are so strong. I've still got shelves and everything put up over the years with these Ekbi brackets, and they are amazing. They are on the website for 50p at the moment, so I've got 20, which cost me £10. So I've got 20 of those. Really good and really strong. I've had no problems with these. The picture frame ledge. I've always wanted one of these. I didn't realise they're pretty wide. I really thought they were a lot smaller in depth, because I want to put all my got this water bottle. This was 85p. I could never do without these water bottles. I love them so much. If I'm not using them to put conditioner and, you know, mix up a concoction for my hair, then I'll use it for water in the craft room when I'm painting and stuff like that, or spray a bit of water on them, and then that helps to lift the ink off my acrylic stamps. I usually spray water and a bit of tissue or baby wipes, and they come off really good. So I always like to have, I think I've got 2 empty ones unused in the cupboard, but it's always good to have these water bottles. So this bathroom rug, this one's called Toff Bow, and this was, how much was this rug? Oh, the bath mat, £5.50. And it's a really lovely size, and it's nice and soft, and oh, can't wait to put my feet on that. So I've got that, £5.50. I also got this box. I'm going to start experimenting with these boxes. A lot of YouTubers have got these in their craft room and their office and stuff. And this one was £3.75. These were on the family member discount rack. So it's bigger than an A4. It's got lots of space in it. It's got lots of space in it. So I thought that will help to store some stuff in my new room. So I'll experiment with that. Yeah, and this was £3.75, and it's called the Kugis or Kugis. And you know me, I had to fish around, see if I could find any stickers. I found these ones. They were £2.50 each. But I love stickers, so I put them in my journal, my fave journal, my planner. You know, I really like them. It just brightens up my day when I use stickers when I'm writing. So I've got those for £2.50 each. And that's that from Ikea. I did stop in to Matalan, which was nearby Wickes. I had to stop off at Wickes to get the paint and the primer, so I had a walk around in Matalan, and the only thing I found were these. They're so gorgeous. They're 3 notepads, and they were £3. Absolutely sweet. The colours are sweet, and I am a sucker for a notepad. I really am. This one says, "My secret plan to rule the world. Always find a way, never give up." Isn't it lovely? And yeah, so, and this one says, "My little book of hopes and dreams. Shoot for the stars, you go girl." And they're hashtagged. Those sayings are hashtagged. And then we've got "My little list of happy things." Hashtag "live what you love." Hashtag "be happy." So yeah, so I picked those up. Those were £3, and I'm really happy. I just love notepads. I really do. So that's that. And what else did I have to say? Oh, I popped into Home Scents as well, and these Filofax, they had these, This one is the Halifax Domino Pocket, and this was from £24 to £3. It went down bit by bit. It was first, it's originally £24. Home Sense had it for £9.99, then it went to £8, then it went to £5, then it went to £3. So I grabbed it at £3. I got this one as well. This one is the Halifax Petal, and it's really lovely. It's got the dividers, the alphabet dividers, and you've got a couple of to-dos in here, addresses, sheets, notepads, coloured notepad sheets, notes. You've got your folders, and you've got your this week's, and they're undated. You can either make your own, or you just pop to your local stationaries and they will have them there. You've got the Today tab, and you've got the little wallet behind as well. And I think that's the same as well. That's got, yeah, that's got its back pocket. This one. Yeah, so I think these were great buys. And this was £2.50. So I think it was a great buy. Just turn these into journals, actually. I'm going to try and keep up with my videos, but if I don't, you know why. Because of the moving and all the decorating and stuff that I'm going to have to do. But I'm really excited that I'm doing this. It's an adventure and a challenge, and it keeps me busy. So if you liked this video, my little hauls and my update about my craft room, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell in order to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care now. Bye bye. Bye.